You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. All right, do not forget that I just opened a new Facebook page titled Bag Makers World. All right, so if you want to showcase your work there, your bag making work, you can go there on my Facebook page. It is tagged Bag Makers World. You can go there, snap your bag, and then showcase whatever you're doing there on the platform. It will be approved, and then all right, so that is that about that. And I also post, it's a business page, okay? So it's also a forum for bag makers where we can, help each other, where we can also, strengthen each other, encourage each other the more. And then the more video you'll be seeing different kinds of pictures, okay, by different bag makers, okay? So that is why it is called Bag Makers World. All right, as a bag maker, you are also part of this page. All right, so let's get into today's video's detail. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful and pulse, beautiful pulse. All right, so also do not forget, okay, please, as this video is going, YouTube will be placing some adverts in between the videos. Do not skip. Please at least watch for like 30 seconds, because if you're watching any video from any content creator, please always watch the adverts. All right, because it's very important. At least 30 seconds of the advert is very important. It will help the creator, because this is the only thing that counts. All right, so if you don't watch, it will be like the person is just wasting his or her time. All right, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make, like I said, a beautiful purse. And I'm going to be organizing, I've put it on the online that I'm about to organize an online training, an 8 weeks training, okay? 8 weeks training. It's going to be, all right, so this training is going to be very, very impactful. Okay, so try your best, and I'm going to be dropping the link whereby I spoke much about this training. Okay, so now if you want to know more about this training, it's happening in July, so don't miss this opportunity. All right, so a lot of people have paid. Okay, so now if you're also interested, if you want to become a profitable bag maker, I bet you that you need to join this class. You need to join this class. All right. So it's going to be 8 weeks training. Okay. So, and it's going to be on Telegram. So, but my WhatsApp number is 080 365 88365 plus 234 for those outside Nigeria, plus 234 80 365 88365. All right, so don't say I'm talking too much. I'm just trying to impact more lives. So a lot of people have been doing this business without making any money. All right, so they don't know how to cost, they don't know how to charge. So in this training, that is forthcoming training, is gonna be very, very explanatory, just the way I explain more in my video. I'm going to give you more time. It's going to be an interactive section. Okay, you have the opportunity to ask me personal questions that you want to know, things you want to know about bag making. All right, and the training fee is 10,000 naira. All right, so I'll be dropping my account number there. I have my naira account, and if you want to pay in dollar, you can also pay in dollars. For those paying in dollars, it's going to be $25,000. $25. Sorry, $25. While for those paying naira, it's 10,000 naira. All right. So in today's video, like I said, we're going to be going into the details of the video. Do not skip this video, please. Watch, be part of the training. It's gonna impact your life. And for as many that would like to thank me for all the work that I and my team are doing, I'll encourage you. All right, so let's get into the detail of today's video. All right, like I was saying, if you like to, all right, so now let's get back to business, to work. So now this is the video we're going to be doing today, okay? And the measurement is 8 inches, okay? You need 8 inches. I'm using a leather material, 8 inches by 18 inches. So the wideness is 8, while the length is 18 inches. Okay. So now what I did here was to mark. I marked this. Let me show you what I marked. I marked about 4.8 inches. Okay, 4.8 inches. You can mark 5 inches. Okay, so 4.8 on this side and 4.8 on this side. So now I'm going to be using it as my cover, okay, as the cap. So this is a leather material. So now what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be fixing my Velcro, okay? So but here is popularly called magic magic tape, okay? But the name is Velcro. So just cut the size you need and then trim it this way. So I want to have a round shape. Okay, so I want to have a round shape. Okay, so now I'm gonna place the soft part here. This is the soft part. So get the center of your material. Get the center. So let me see if I really got it to be at the center. Okay, yes. So 3.5, 3.5, yes. So you just stitch it, you top stitch it just the way it is. Top stitch it nicely. All right. So the next thing I will do is I'm still gonna so I want to know where it's gonna stand. So it should be here. So it's still top stitch this round. If you're yet to enroll for the forthcoming program, please do, because it's gonna help you. It's gonna help you to become a profitable bag maker. Okay, so it's gonna help you. So, and if you like to thank this channel for what the channel is offering you, you can just thank me or thank my team by clicking on the thanks. You see a dollar sign close to it where you normally download videos. You see thanks. Okay, so you can just support this channel with any amount that you want to use. It's gonna be of great help to this channel to do more videos. It's gonna encourage us to do more videos. So just trim this like this. Okay, give it a nice trim. Okay, so this is what I have, right? Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using my webbing strap. Okay, so this is my webbing strap. Okay, so it's called belt here or tape. Okay, so now all I'll do is i'm going to I'm going to wrap it round this. So I'm going to start from this. I turn it this way, so I'm going to place it here like this and sew it all through. So if you like this video, do not forget to like it by clicking the thumbs up button. Comment in the comment section. All right, so you can see that so if you try it out, go to my Facebook page, Bag Makers World, snap it and send your work there. So let me see if you're truly learning from this channel. All right, so far so good. See what we have. So all I'll do is I'm gonna use my hand to so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna use my lighter or whatever to burn this the airy part so that it doesn't lose. Okay, so just use your lighter. I'm using matches here. Okay, All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. So a lot of things can go into this post. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join this training that is coming.